Hello guys, so mixing things up today, we're doing an arrival video. So this is what we are seeing in our own time. So we're staying in number 2. Let's see what it's like. Usually I do a review at the end of the stay, but today I thought we'll do a review on our entrance. There we go, we've got our tag, it's been sealed there with the approval, and we shall go in. Oh, hello. So, first we are approached with a nice hallway. Here. To the right here, we've got a nice twin room, full-sized beds, towels there as well, which looks very nice. A nice desk area here in the twin room, very nice, and a full-sized wardrobe. Now we walk along, and we've got the double room here. So, very nice side units there. A nice double bed. Nice desk area. Again, towels provided. Oh, look, there's a nice bench area there. That looks nice. A nice wardrobe here. What's here? Oh. So it's got an ensuite sink, toilet, hand rail, and a nice shower there. The view from the master bedroom is quite nice, to be honest. Very nice. Walk through, back into the hallway. We've got a gas boiler in there. Okay, nice place to put your shoes underneath. Nice hook. In here, sink, toilet, and a nice shower again. Very nice. That's even got a skylight. That's nice. In here, Mum's there. Hello, Mum. What's your first impressions of the caravan?
Very nice.
Very nice. What did you find in the dishwasher? Though we've only just walked in. What have you found in the dishwasher? Let's show the people. It's loaded up, but it looks clean. So, yeah, okay. Not as bad as what I thought. I thought it was messy. Nice sink. These are truthful reviews, guys. These are truthful reviews. So when we enter, we expect everything to be clean and nice. A bin.
Let's get some water.
In here, we've got a nice big fridge. Nice big freezer. We've got microwave. We've got grill. And we've got oven. We have plates. We have empty. We have little bits there for the frying pan. We have some spoons.
We haven't got any teaspoons.
Cool.
Knives and forks. Right?
Oh, oh, hello. Oh, look at that. The door's just fallen off. The first thing, what we found wrong here. The door is off. Oh, my lord. And, the washing machine's alright, though. But you'd expect that to be on, wouldn't you, guys? So that's the first floor. Well, second floor, because we had the dishwasher. Nice, table. What have we got over here? Oh yeah, that's for dishwasher with everything in it. Yeah. Oh look, a sweet corn in the bottom there, saying that? A sweet corn. Iron. And that.
Let's come away from there.
Well, that caravan's got some issues as well. Over here, nice drawer. Oh look, we've got some cups, glasses and that.
Oh, we've got one of them drying things.
Radiators for out. Nice sofas.
What, you can dry
Nice
your washing
foot
machine
stand.
to James's bed.
Big TV and a nice fire. Again,
Yeah.
we've got
I'll let James know.
balcony. Oh, that's heavy. Oh, we got balcony. Oh, we've got some nice chairs here. That's the view ahead. That's alright. 2 bathrooms. Very nice. Can't fault. And it's a wraparound decking what goes right down there as well. Very nice. Very nice. So, pre-arrival vlog this is. And 2 faults so far. Which is indeed the washing machine doors falling off. And the dishwasher is full of dirties. I'll do a vlog just before we leave if I find any more faults. But other than that, that is our pre-arrival blog. I will talk to you guys later.